Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to keep up with some more videos. And today I wanted to do another how-to kind of for beginners, something simple, quick, and easy, some tips and tricks for how to fill in your brows, because I know brows, it can be a journey. It definitely is a journey getting it down, practice. I feel like definitely maybe one of the more time-consuming parts of your makeup, especially because you don't want to end up with like blocky, intense brows. Hey, if you like that, that's your look. But for me, I definitely want to try to maybe avoid that a little bit, try to get as natural as possible. So I feel like in this phase in my journey, I think I'm ready to kind of share, you know, how I do my brows and what are some of my favorites brow pencils. I'll link down below in the description box if you guys are interested and you want to really get down with your brows, practice, get them precise to how you want them. I'll link down below my video that I just did talking about my favorite affordable brow pencils. So if you guys want to check that out and pick up some items from the store so you can follow along, definitely go ahead and do that. And if you guys want to kind of combine some of these how-tos as well and you really want to step your makeup game up, I'll link down below my other how-to brows, highlight and contour, really get into them. Let me know which other videos you guys want to see, but I'll just quickly share with you guys how I do my brows. Hey guys, so first things first, you're going to comb through your brows so you can just naturally see where your hairs lay and see where you need to add in the illusion of brow hairs. I like to start with the bottom and start with strokes, not one line, but just kind of outlining the bottom of my brow line. That's kind of where I want to stop. I don't want to add more hair-like strokes. Then I'll start filling in my brows just stroke by stroke. You want to kind of feather it in, very, very light hand. You're creating the illusion of little brow hairs with this pencil, which is why I personally prefer like a waxier formula. It's not creamy because it doesn't look too harsh. And then I'll just kind of flip that over and, you know, blend everything out. And this just kind of helps me as a guide to see, okay, where else do I need to add, you know, little brow strokes, create the illusion of brow hairs. I go on the top, same thing, kind of outline where I want the top part of my brow to kind of end, and then start kind of like filling in from there and creating those hair-like strokes. And then I'll go back and forth with blending and adding and blending and adding and kind of getting it to the preciseness that I want, and just kind of, you know, trying to have a little bit less towards the front, a little bit darker on the outside, so it kind of fades in nicely. So just kind of perfecting my arch right there, and then I want to kind of round it off, whatever your preference is, but just as you see, just little strokes at a time, not like huge long lines. You want it to look as natural as possible. So that's kind of like the more time-consuming part, and as well perfecting the outline at the bottom, and then just kind of managing where you want those little hairs to go. You don't want to color it in fully, but you do just kind of want to have those nice strokes and then blending it out. Whenever you use a spoolie, that really just helps kind of keep that natural effect, and it kind of just helps you see where do I really need to add and where is good to not have to add more hair-like strokes. But that way it just looks more natural, and it actually looks like little hairs as opposed to you use the brow pencil. To clean everything up, I'll take my concealer. Here you can definitely use something that's a little bit lighter to clean up the bottom of your brow. Feel free if you want. Some people like to kind of clean up on the top, so this is kind of like your eraser, but also for my bottom I like to kind of highlight and just makes your brow look cleaner and just stand out even more. If you do the top of your brow, I would definitely suggest maybe using a foundation or doing this before you do foundation and using a shade closer to your skin tone. And I just blend it out, just do a little line, and can blend out my finger or with another brush. The trick with brows is really going to be the amount of pressure you use and patience, and if you guys can do that, you can really get the perfect brow for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely let me know down below if you guys want to see some more of these how-tos. Let me know if they are helpful, but more than anything, the best thing you can do is just practice, practice, practice. And I feel like just your makeup game, your makeup application, it's a journey. if you don't practice, you can't really get better at it. And just kind of play with it, have fun, whether it's every time you're doing makeup because you have to, or you're doing makeup just because you want to. Practice a new technique and you'll definitely see a transformation in how your makeup application goes. So I hope these videos are helpful. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with some more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.